STA.ROSA, Laguna, with their two imports struggling on the offensive end, Ray Parks Jr. made sure Alab Pilipinas didn't lack in firepower with his best output of the season in the Asean Basketball League, ABL. The reigning ABL local MVP had 31 points on 11 of 18 shooting from the field to lead Alab to a 94-91 overtime win over Chong Son Kung Fu on Wednesday here. His scoring explosion came after Brownlee and Renaldo Balkman both struggled with their shots, combining for 14 of 45 from the field, even as each finished with 20 points. A season after he showed his scoring prowess, including a 41-point game last year, Parks has been more of a facilitator for the team, especially with the arrival of Brownlee and Balkman. But with both imports struggling, the 6'4" gunner took matters into his own hands. "We were looking for our imports like we usually do.Pero. Their shots were not falling. Coach Jimmy trusted me and my teammates to get me going. I was able to connect on my shots," said Parks. Despite his season high in scoring, Parks played down his offensive performance, saying he was only doing it for the team that is hungry to continue its winning ways. "It's the same as any other game for me because I just do what the team needs me to do. We are here to support the imports, and it doesn't matter whether it is rebounding, having to defend the other best player," said Parks. The 24-year-old Parks also said each member of the team can explode at any time. "We don't care. Any one of us can pop up anytime. It just feels great to win against one of the best teams in the league, to be honest. They are tough," said Parks. Parks reiterated he will do everything to win for the team, even if it takes sacrificing his scoring and individual play. "We are gunning really for a championship and we are doing everything. It takes a lot of sacrifice individually to play as a team," he said.